Okay, now good morning, everyone. We should start our
Good morning,
revision.
ma'am.
Good morning. Revision test 5. It will be of geography lesson number 2. So everybody ready with the geography test?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sharing my screen. Few
Yes, ma'am.
questions I'm going to tell you. Yes. Now, is my screen visible? Should I zoom it little bit?
Ma'am, it is visible.
8 questions are there. You can start your revision test 5 of geography lesson number 2. So I think most of you have completed the work. The test has been completed by everybody, or most of you have completed, I think so. So should we start the discussion on the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one by
Yes,
one,
ma'am.
one by one. Okay. Please, first you have to speak out the name and then you can speak the answer. First
Ma'am,
is,
Javan, first
uh,
question.
okay, Jayavant. The landmass
Ma'am,
bounded by sea,
Peninsula.
peninsula. Good. Next
Ma'am,
question.
Trisha, second
And
question.
Goranshi.
Second
Second,
question,
Trisha. Yes, Trish.
Nishita.
Second question, Trisha first. Trisha came, the name Trisha came.
Ma'am, B. Ma'am, B. Himachal.
Yes, B, Himachal. Then the
Ma'am,
third
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 question,
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 Goran.
Nishika.
Third question for third question, Goranshi. Your hand was Goranshi. Third question.
Chilika Lake.
Huh?
Chilika Lake.
Not clear.
For
Anybody
giving
else?
the
Related
answer.
of
First
fourth.
one.
Shall I give?
A third answer give
Shall
fast.
I?
Once again, third
Shall I,
answer.
Nishika?
Yes, Nishika.
Majuli.
Majuli. Clear? Third answer will be Majuli. Then fourth,
Majuli.
Ma'am, Chesta,
Chikila Lake.
Cheshta. Yes. Fourth answer, Cheshta.
Lake.
Chilika Lake. Yes. So first is Peninsula, second Himachal, third Majuli, fourth Chilika. Clear? Now fifth, which is the correction to
Ma'am,
be made?
Trisha.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Trisha.
Trisha. Ma'am, the eastern ghats are discontinuous and
Hmm.
irregular and dissected by the river flowing into Bay of Bengal.
Yes. Instead of Arabian Sea, here it will be Bay of Bengal. Now you have to write about Western Ghats. Western Ghats. Who will speak for Western Ghats?
Ma'am, Trisha.
Ma'am,
Trisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Western Ghats lie parallel to the Western Coast.
Yes.
They are higher than the Eastern Ghats.
Hmm.
The average elevation of Western Ghats is about 900 to 1600 meters.
Yes.
The Western Ghats are continuous ranges and can be crossed through through passes.
Good.
And ma'am, the Western Ghat causes orographic rain.
Yes.
Anaimudi and Doda Beta are the highest peaks in the Western Ghats.
But the highest one is
Western
the
Ghats,
Anaimudi. Clear?
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next.
Ma'am, Western Ghats,
Hmm.
Western Ghats increases from north to south.
Hmm.
Ma'am, that's all.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I next question?
Okay.
Jayavant.
Next. Okay, Jayavant. Which one? Describe the parallel ranges.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, all three.
If you have written all the three, you can write. Speak out three.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Himadri, Greater or Inner Himalayas.
Hmm.
It is the most continuous range. The northernmost range is called Himadri. It
Hmm.
consists of loftiest peak with an average height of 6,000 meters.
Hmm.
It contains all the prominent peaks which remains snow covered throughout the year.
Good.
Himachal or Lesser Himalayas.
Hmm.
It is to the south of Himadri and forms the most rugged mountain system. The
Hmm.
ranges are mainly composed of highly compressed and altered rocks.
Altered.
Some
Yes.
famous average height is between 3,700 to 4,500 meters.
Yes.
It has some famous places like Kulu, Kangra, and Kashmir.
Yes.
Shivaliks.
Yes.
This is the
Shivalik.
outermost range of the Himalayas. It is highest. Its height varies from 900 to 1001 meter.
Hmm.
These ranges are composed of unconsolidated sediments of or rock materials
Hmm.
like Dehradun, Kothli Dun, and Palti Dun.
Hmm. Dehradun and Kotli
That's
Dun
all.
and Patli Dun. Yes, good, good, very good. Anybody else want to speak out? Any other answer or northern plains about northern plains? Nobody has written about northern plains. It is very easy, beta. Classify the northern plains on the basis of variations in relief features. Variations in relief features means the type of soil it is having, the type of land it is having. And for this, you have to write down about Babar, Terai, Bhangar, Kadar. Remember? Remembered? Babar, the rivers after descending down from mountains
Yes,
deposit
ma'am.
pebbles in the
Yes,
narrow
ma'am.
belt. Clear? And it parallels to the slopes of Shivaliks known as Babar. Then Tarai also, the marshy region, swampy, wet, swampy, marshy region. Then Bhangar, largest part of northern plains, made up of old alluvial. And Khadar also, it is a newer, younger deposit of floodplains. So about these variations in relief features means the type of land or type of soil present here there. Clear? So you have to write down about all these four features: Babar, Tarai, Bhangar, and Khadar. Before we continue for the eighth question, please type present once again in the chat box. And who has written here in the chat box for the last eighth question? You can speak out for the eighth. What do you mean by
Okay.
Purvachal? Yes.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Ha.
Purvanchal is a region of northern India which comprise the eastern end of the Uttar Pradesh and western end of the Bihar,
Hmm.
where where Hindi, Urdu, and its delegates Bhojpuri are the
Yeah.
coordinates of
You have to
languages.
write down, beta, what do you mean by Purvachal? Only this is the question. What do you mean by
Ma'am,
Purvachal?
may I?
Yes, yes,
Shall I?
yes. One. Anyone? The first who had asked me.
Ma'am Trisha.
Yes.
Ma'am, the Purvanchal are also called Eastern Range. The Himalayas in the eastern part of India are known as Purvanchal or Eastern Himalayas.
Hmm.
These hills are mostly composed of strong sandstones, which is sedimentary rock, and are covered with dense forests.
Hmm.
They mostly run in parallel ranges and valleys. Purvanchal include Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, the Manipur Hills, and the Mizo Hills.
Mm. And for the short, very short question, you can write down this much only, that it refers to the sharp southward bent of Himalayas. It refers to the sharp southward bent of Himalayas mountains beyond the Diang Gorge. Clear? And
Yes,
Yes,
whatever
ma'am.
is spoken, it will be in the short form. If 2 mark answer, whatever this, who has given the answer just now for eighth,
Ma'am
that can,
Trisha.
Trisha, that can be the answer, because it is of 2 marks. For 1 marks, only whatever I had spoken, for that will be 1 mark, because it is here. What do you mean by Purvachal? So according to the marks, just meaning you have to write down in 2 lines. You can finish it off, 2 to 3 lines. And if it is in the means more marks for short and all, 3 marks and all, then you can write down little big. Clear?
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now again a reminder, means just now only what Jayant has told me to remind that for the map work, 2 map questions will be there. In revision also, I'm going to give 2 only, and 2 map questions will be there. One for identification and one for marking or location. Clear? And for location, you have to take your own map and mark the thing whatever it is asked there. And with other answer sheets, you have to upload that map PDF of that map also. And for identification, just you have to identify the places of the given map will be already printed over there, and location will be marked over there. You have to just identify the names, and you have to write down the answer in the answer sheet. Clear? So two
And
mark.
after marking the question number, we have to write to the places which we have to identify.
Question number will be means same as it is there in the question paper, means answer number will be the same. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Anything
ma'am.
else?